Broadcasters need to ensure compliance to certain rules and regulations. For instance, the need to carry closed captions or subtitles within the program material, and ensure that audio loudness meets standards such as ATSC A85 or EBU R128. Within the latest revision of the firmware for the Telestream PRISM, you can now monitor subtitles or closed captions within the picture display, and a new loudness meter toolset is available within the audio application. Let's first take a look at how to configure captions or subtitles within the Telestream PRISM, the latest generation of hybrid media processing platform capable of monitoring IP and SDI signals. Simply select one of the tiles and push and hold on the touchscreen to bring up the application menu, and make sure to select the pitch icon for the display. Within the Picture Settings menu, you can select the Closed Caption submenu and choose from a variety of configurations. In Auto mode, PRISM will automatically detect between CEA 608 or 708 captions present within the signal. Or the user can select World Standard Teletext WST and then choose a page to decode. For 608 captions, the different channels CC1 to CC4 can be selected, or in the case of 708, the user can choose from services 1 to 6. The captions will be overlaid in the picture display, allowing the user to verify the presence of the captions and ensure that they're being decoded correctly. Additionally, the user can select CC information to be overlaid within the picture display, to provide information on the type of closed captions currently being decoded, allowing the user to quickly verify what types of caption format, transport, and channel of the service are currently being displayed. The Telestream PRISM can decode captions or subtitles from the ANS data space of the SDI signal, or from an IP stream using SMPTE 2110-40, and supports CEA 608, 708, and teletext subtitles, either in OP47 or SMPTE 2031 standards. If the user wants to verify the location of the ANS data present within the signal, then the new ANS session display provides information on the types of ANS data packets present within the signal and the location of these packets. Simply push and hold to bring up the App menu and select the ANS session application. Within the watch list, we can now see all the ANS data types present and quickly verify the presence of closed caption data. In this case, we can see that the caption data is located in the samples of line 9. For detailed analysis, we can use the data list display. Bringing the application to full screen, the user can simply enter the specific line and sample information, or use the Find ANS Data Type search to go through all the ANS packets within the signal, packet by packet. The Telestream PRISM provides a comprehensive toolset for checking your compliance of closed captions or subtitles present within your system. You can find out more information about the PRISM on the Telestream website. Another important compliance requirement for broadcasters is loudness monitoring, and many countries have set standard regulations for loudness levels for program to program. Within the PRISM audio monitoring functions, Telestream has now added loudness monitoring for compliance to ATSC A85 or EBU R128. To enable loudness monitoring, simply select one of the tiles to display the audio application. From the configuration menu of the audio tile, make sure to select the loudness display, and a loudness meter and readouts will be added. To configure your loudness measurements, enter the Settings menu and select Audio. The user can configure their loudness settings. Simply select the loudness preset for the appropriate standard, either ATSC A85 or EBU R128. This will configure the loudness meter mode to 1770-2 and select a short average for the loudness ballistic. Scrolling through the menu will show the standard settings for target loudness and loudness threshold set by the preset. The short-term gating window and full-scale units are also selectable by the user. Within the PRISM loudness meter modes, Dialog Intelligence is now supported. Certain program providers now require monitoring of Dialog Intelligence for their delivery specifications. Simply select the appropriate Dialog Intelligence mode from the menu to use within your loudness monitoring of your program. Another important aspect to the configuration of loudness is how many channels are used to monitor the program. The standard default is to use a stereo pair of channels, and the green labels below the audio bars indicate those channels that are currently being monitored for program loudness. Simply select the bar groups to select the monitored channels for the audio loudness session. For multi-channel audio mapping, the user can select their own configuration within the settings menu for the virtual input. Simply select one of the 6 virtual inputs and scroll down to the audio menu. You can select PCM, then choose your program configuration for the application. Make sure to enable Program Config, and then you can edit your audio channel mapping. The default configuration is for 8 stereo pairs for the SDI embedded audio, but the user can edit the audio channel mapping and choose between mono, stereo 5.1 or 7.1 multi-channel mappings for the various audio bars. Let's simply edit the configuration for multi-channel 5.1 mix using audio channels 1 to 6 and a stereo pair for channels 7 and 8. Once selected, press Save to store the configuration for the virtual input. Now within the audio application you can see the audio channel mapping for left, right, center, LFE, left surround and right surround, along with a stereo pair in channels 7 and 8. The highlighted green for the bar channels indicate those channels that are currently being used for loudness measurement. For Dolby E audio monitoring, in-bar messages show the location of the Dolby E stream. The user can select the audio channel pair to be decoded in the input configuration. The audio mapping is automatically configured based on the metadata within the stream, and the user can also monitor this Dolby E metadata within PRISM. The user can easily monitor the infinite loudness along with the short and momentary values within the audio display. There are also measurements for loudness range and peak audio levels, shown for the monitoring of the program. These new compliance features within the Telestream PRISM provide customers with a way to monitor their closed caption or loudness monitoring, and extend the feature set of the media processing platform PRISM for a wide variety of broadcast applications. For more information or to arrange a demonstration, please contact your local Telestream sales representative.